So in this video I am going to make world's hardest game, but here's the twist, we have only 7 days to complete. But before start making the game, I'm gonna show you what we are actually going to make. So few days ago I watched a movie named The Maze Runner, and while watching this movie I thought how it could be if I make a game on it. So now we have only 7 days to complete. Let's get into the video. So first thing we have to create is maze. And if you don't know what maze is, it's actually a system of paths which is designed to confuse you so that it is difficult to find a way out. Yeah, basically it means find a way. Actually you can understand it better with this image. If I design exact same map, then it's fun to play, but for only first time, because second time you already know where to get out from the maze. So we have to write a script from which we got something different every time we turn on the game. So I write this script, and whenever I say write, it means and your all code is my property. Thanks Jonas. You can definitely check it out his channel. He makes awesome tutorials. Link is in the description below. Create a new C# script, copy and paste all the code. Create new cube. Attach the script with the cube. Create game object which you want to spawn, and here we go. So I create total 5 example template, attach them to the script, and finally it's ready. But it's looking kind of boring. So I spent 5 more hours on this, and now it's looking much better than earlier. But according to the movie, the walls are more thick than your. So fuck the old walls and create new walls. And now it's look more thick than earlier. Also creating a safe house in the center of maze for our player. In short, from the center of maze our game is going to start. So this is the basic safe house which I created in less than an hour. So now all things are settled up and it's time to run the game.
Stop it. Get some help.
Maybe I forget something. Oh, where is the player? For character I am using Maximo, and for movement you can check this asset. I will mention it on the screen. And let's run the game again. I create 4 big doors so it's look more neat and clean. It's looking amazing, but our map is too small as compared to movie one. So duplicate again and again and again and again, and now run it. So in this video we make maze and player, and in next video we are going to make some more enemies, UI, main menus, and much more. Also something very special is coming soon, and let me know in the comment section your thoughts on this video, and also a suggestion that how much long video should I create. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'm very excited to see your comments. And yeah, that's it. Hit that like button, it's help algorithm to reach out more people. Hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss another video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, goodbye.